Make this, you can sleep. Make this, I will repeat. Make this, you can sleep. Do you know? I went to bed and can't sleep. And then I find myself in the kitchen. Let me tell you guys. Today I went to work, come back, and then try to sleep. I finish around 12:30, come home. Then I try to sleep. Sleep did not come. So what I did, went to the kitchen and started cooking. Don't mind my oven time, my stove time, because it's time it doesn't work. I just let it go there because I keep setting it up every day and it's annoying. So I just let it go. And on top of that, I couldn't sleep. I tried my best. And then it hit me. Because when I can't sleep, I usually go to my kitchen and cook or clean. That's what I do. But because I couldn't clean, I cook. Because I have some recipe in the fridge and I have something support to need to cook, because normally I keep my thing around my house so that when I can cook anytime. So what happened? I came to the kitchen and started cooking. And what we're gonna make today is mix. Like it's mixed is like good meat with rice, and we're gonna add some vegetable inside, like carrot and tomatoes and potatoes. We're gonna cook with that one entirely. Yes, that's what I say. So I come to the kitchen, start cutting my thing up and setting my session up, and I say, oh, let me share with my online family and friends. So what I did, I came to the kitchen and I remember you guys, and then I decided that I'm gonna form it so that I can encourage you guys. Because when you can't sleep, the best thing to do is to find yourself something to do so that you can be a little bit tired so that you can fall asleep. And like I say, sometimes when you walk a lot and there's so much you did and your body is so tired, you cannot fall asleep when your body is tired. So you need to do something that will calm you down. Like for me, I love cooking. So I love cooking and I love cleaning. It's calm me down when I can't sleep. So what I do, I go to the kitchen or maybe grab something and then start cleaning the house. Maybe start cooking. That's what I normally do. Maybe sometimes I watch TV, but because I was using my phone for the last 30 minutes, I was on the couch. So I say, I can't sleep and I will be keeping crawling my phone and it's not good. So I gotta cook. And that's why I find myself here. And today, this food is very special to me because I love this dish. And the recipe too are easy to make. It's special like when you are tired and you can't sleep. This is the best recipe to make. And when you feel like tomorrow morning you don't want to wake up and cook again, you can just make like, when I cook this one, it's really helped me a lot because I was able to get it done at night at that time. Because I have kids, they go to school in the morning. I was able to make them lunch. I was able to give them lunch. In me, it's kind that I'm tired. Like, it was so amazing because I could cook and then the same food, I was able to give my kid food, lunch. I was able to dish the lunch and keep them in the fridge so that in the morning I just give them. I did not go through so much again. I just already made it. I was tired and I was able to win 2 things. Because remember, I could have got up in the morning, make lunch for the kid, and prepare something else and give them. But because I couldn't sleep, and I came to the kitchen and cook, I was able to make the dish exactly. So that I sometimes it's good to just do what needs to be done. And I'm happy with you guys because I know sometimes you don't know who's talking on the other side because you guys don't see my face, but I wish one day you guys could see my face. And like I did ask in the last video, you guys could let me know what I can make next. And I'm still waiting for that too. And today, this dish is so beautiful. So what I did, I grabbed 2 onions, cut them and fry them. And then in the meantime, I was watching my meat and cut my vegetable. And then when the onion were done frying, I put tomatoes inside and then put the meat and start mixing them like I'm doing now. And then after I'm done mixing it like that, I'm gonna pour the vegetable inside. I will start with carrot and then potatoes. And first I will seasoning is first. I will put the spices. We all know this spices are just normal spices I normally use, but you don't need to be recommended spices. You can just use it as you like, and it will totally be okay too. You can use it and it's still gonna be good. Whatever spices you choose are gonna be amazing. And I love these spices because for me, I like cooking with different spices. It depends on the dish I'm making. Yeah, because I want the dish to taste different. Because you use the same spice in all the food, they're gonna taste like the same, and you want different flavors sometimes. So don't be afraid to use spices. Just use at you can, but don't put too much because it can be too much too. Just a half teaspoon is okay to use. You love spices. And I did not put the black pepper or paprika in this dish because I didn't want that to go in this dish because normally I use it with other dish. So I was using total different spices this time. But I just used the same spice like the last one because that spice is must. It's a very important one. I love it and it's good. You go well with any food I'm making. And it doesn't stress me out too. And you can even have with toast when you toast your bread and you put like you want to have it with like nice and that. It's so good. I love it. So I mix and then put the ingredient inside and then there my vegetable are going there too. And then I'm gonna mix it really nicely and really well. When they're done being mixed well, you can cover it and let it cook. Or maybe you can add water. You can add water or you can wait for give it 2 minutes to simmer and then add water. But for me what happened was the souffle turned out to be small, so I gotta change it. I took the bigger one and used it. Because I didn't know it was going to be a lot. Yes, I did plan it like this. It's going to be the way I should. But because I will be adding the rice later, I need a bigger souffle than this. Because you remember the rice is going to go inside. And, the rice do expand. And I was planning using 2 cups of rice. That's what I was planning using. Because I was using 1, could be enough. But I was using 2 cups of rice. And 2 cups of rice is going to be expanding a lot. And I'm going to take it all over the place. So far, I add some water and let it cook. Let it cook for at least 15 minutes before you add your rice. And that's what you should done. But in the meantime, keep checking and make sure you're using a non-stick pan. Actually, because some pan, don't judge me. Because English is not my first language, but I'm trying. Some souffle sometimes they stick on the underneath and it's not okay because it doesn't give the food bad aroma. Like I will be honest, guys, the food was good, but the problem is almost thick in the underneath. So I have to make sure that I keep stirring it so that it doesn't stick and it doesn't ruin the aroma. It was good. So now I add water a little bit to cover the rice, but don't add more than that. Otherwise, it's not going to be good. Like I say, let your meat cook for 15 minutes before you add rice. And then let the rice cook for 45 minutes, set your alarm. And it should be like mine. But I just muted it because my daughter was making noise in the background. So I couldn't bring her. I couldn't let the sound be because she was crying. Like I say, I have a toddler. She's everywhere nowadays. Whatever I'm doing, she's there. So like that why I mute the sound so that you guys don't keep up with this consistent whining because you love to do that. And that's what we made, guys. So delicious and amazing. So what left to be done now to serve my kid for tomorrow? To dish them lunch so that I can just keep it in the fridge peacefully. And then I can try to go back to bed. Maybe I will sleep or not. But at this point here, I'm happy because I wake up tomorrow, their lunch is ready. I just get them, I just say, oh boys, time to go to school. And then they go and freshen up and then make them some breakfast. And then they grab their cereal or something for breakfast. And then they take their lunch. So what I will add is just, I will add later on some fruit in the other side. And that should be good to go. And then some snack, this is the dish. Now I'm serving myself because, So your girl is not sleeping. So I think I will maybe unwind in the couch and eat my food as I watch American movies or Canadian series, whatever I choose to watch, or maybe in African form. And then your girl can just watch TV and eat at the same time. See?